fall 7 times, stand up 8. Every master was once a disaster. No matter how hard the past, you can always begin again. When it comes to your dreams, every risk is worth it. Be strong. Things will get better. It might be stormy now, but rain doesn't last forever. If someone is strong enough to bring you down, show them you are strong enough to get back up. It's okay to struggle, but it's never okay to give up on yourself. If you are going through hell, keep going. Success is what happens after you have survived all your mistakes. If you have a dream, don't just sit there. Gather courage to believe that you can succeed, and leave no stone unturned to make it a reality. Successful men and women keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. The harder the struggle, the more glorious the triumph. Self-realization demands very great struggle. Remember that guy that gave up? Well, neither does anybody else. If you believe it will work out, you'll see opportunities. If you believe it won't, you will see obstacles. The happiest people don't have the best of everything. They just make the best of everything they have. Never give up on something that you can't go a day without thinking about. Instead of complaining that the rose bush is full of thorns, be happy the thorn bush has roses. You have to learn the rules of the game, and then you have to play better than anyone else. Keep going. Your hardest times often lead to the greatest moments of your life. Keep going. Tough situations build strong people in the end. Never give up on something you really want. It's difficult to wait, but more difficult to regret. Remember, every champion was once a contender that refused to give up. I am not what happened to me. I am what I choose to become. When we see beyond pain and find ourselves in others, we learn to love at the deepest level. The world is the great gymnasium where we come to make ourselves strong. The best advice I can give to anyone going through a rough patch is to never be afraid to ask for help. Worry is a total waste of time. It doesn't change anything. All it does is steal your joy and keep you very busy doing nothing. I am thankful for all of those who said no to me. It's because of them I'm doing it myself. Stay strong. Keep them wondering how you are still smiling. Never assume that you are stuck with the way things are. Life changes, and so can you. I believe that tomorrow is another day, and I believe in miracles. When the going gets tough, put one foot in front of the other and just keep going. Don't give up. Magic happens when you do not give up, even though you want to. The universe always falls in love with a stubborn heart. Winners never quit, and quitters never win. Never let fear stop you from living your life. Fear kills more dreams than failure ever will. Anyone can give up. It's the easiest thing in the world to do, but to hold it together when everyone else would understand if you fell apart, that's true strength. It is not wanting to win that makes you a winner. It is refusing to fail. When someone tells you that you can't do something, perhaps you should consider that they are only telling you what they can't do. Sometimes adversity is what you need to face in order to become successful. No one is ever too young to start an empire. No one is ever too old to chase a new dream. No one has the power to shatter your dreams unless you give it to them. A winner is someone who gets up one more time than he is knocked down. When the world says, give up, hope whispers, try it one more time. Don't give up because of one bad chapter in life. Keep going. Your story doesn't end here. Just because it hasn't happened yet doesn't mean that it never will. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. When you feel like giving up, remember why you held on for so long in the first place. To conquer frustration, one must remain intensely focused on the outcome, not the obstacles. The day you give up on your dreams is the day you give up on yourself. One day you'll thank yourself for never giving up. It does not matter how slowly you go, so long as you do not stop.